Okay, hello everyone. So this video is actually, I'm going to give you some hints for the exam, for the final exam, of course. So you go here when you log in on code.org. So I am exactly in lesson 3, level 7 and 8. Okay, so the focus or the study for the exam can be here, level 7, 8. Any levels before will be helpful for you, but I need you to focus here. Okay, so in level 7, we need, we have two buttons basically, one to add $5, one to add $20. Okay, so first thing to know is that to add the number of dollars, we need the variable. So every time we are increasing the number of dollars, this variable value will be changed. Okay, so if I added 5, this value will be 5. If I added 20, this value should have extra $20. Okay, so this 5 should give extra 5, this button should give extra $20. Okay, so in this function we have two functions for it. One, add 5 button, which is this button. So this button, the ID of this button is for this, and another one called add add 20 button, which is for this. Okay, so here we don't have any code, we need to fix it. So it's basically very simple. So everything here we need to add it here. Okay, so let's forget about this line and focus on these two lines. Okay, so if the add 5 says that I need to add $5, or I need to increment the number of dollars by 5. To do that, I do literally dollars equal dollars plus 5. Okay, so the first value here is a variable name, and here I'm increasing its value. Okay, so to do that here, I put another variable, I call the same. So it is dollars equal dollars. Now here I need to add plus 20, not plus 5. Okay. And of course, I need to print the result on the screen. So to print the result on the screen, I need to use a set property. So the ID of this text is called dollar label. So I put here, I choose dollar label. I need to add the text. This text will be the sign dollar as a text plus dollar as a variable. Okay, so here what it says print the dollar sign as it is, and here, because we don't have double quotation, it will print the value of dollars. Okay, so now if I'm clicking here, so I need to run the application. If I click plus 20, it will add 20. If I click plus 5, it will add 5 to the last amount of the variable. Okay, so why I'm telling you this? Because in the exam you will have an application, to build an application that will have two buttons. Okay, each button will have to add specific amount of specific number. Okay, so for each function you need to do different things. Okay, so two functions will be the same, the only thing different will be is here. So, and here, of course, you can call your variable whatever you want. Okay, so let's say I don't have anything here, so I'm going to delete everything. So this is what you're going to do exactly. Okay, so first, now if I'm running the application, nothing will happen. So I need to think step by step. First, I need the variable to store information in it. So I'm going to call this variable dollars, since I'm dealing with dollars here. Okay, now I need to add two functions. So let's go step by step. First function is for the add 5. Okay, so for this one, so to choose this button, I need to choose its ID. So this button's ID is called add 5 buttons, and of course on click. So every time I'm clicking this button, the value should be increased by 5. Okay, so here I need to put dollars equal dollars plus 5. Okay, now I need to print the result. So now if I'm clicking on add 5, nothing is happening because I did not print the result here. So to print the result here, I need to use the function set property. So the ID of this label is called, I can choose it from here. It's called dollars label. Of course, I need to add text, and the text will be the dollar sign between double quotation. Then I add plus dollars. The variable same as I declared. Okay. Now, if I click on the add 5, it is going to work perfectly. Add 20 is not going to work because I don't have function for it yet. So if I need it to work, I can add another function. So now let's work. So I need to pick the ID of this button, which is called add 20 button. Now every time I'm clicking on this button, the amount should be increased by 20. So dollars equal dollars plus 20. Okay, and same, I need to print the result. To print the result, I need to use a set property. So I need to choose the label, same label here, because I'm printing the result in the same place. So it is called dollar label. Again, I need to choose here text. And here between double quotation, I write the dollar sign, and I go out the dollar, the double quotation, plus the variable names that I declared up at the beginning. Okay, so this is the variables that I have here, and this is the text that I need to print. Okay, so here I'm going to print dollar plus the amount that I have every time I'm clicking on the button. Now the function, the application is working perfect. Okay, so on the exam you need to exactly do the same. You can name the variable whatever you want. You will have to add 2 functions, same as I did here, and you need to display the result in a specific place. Okay, so to know the specific place, you can click on it, or I can give you all the ideas that you need. Okay, now in level 8 we have everything set and ready. So let me go back to the original version of it. So here we have everything ready. So let's run the application first and see what is happening. So if I click there, I need to add reminder. So remind me. Now if I click on the button, look here, remind me is being posted next to feed the cats. If I'm adding another reminder, so the another reminder is also being stuck next to the alt text. So in order to fix this, we use /n between double quotation. Okay, so I need to add /n in 2 places. So first I need to add it here next to the feed the cats, and second time I need to add it here. Okay, plus between double quotation /n. Okay, so this is basically how to fix this application. So now in the exam you're not going to fix it, you're going to build it another reminder. You see now each one is being posted on a new line. In the exam you need to write it all by yourself. Okay, so you will not have anything again, so everything will not be here. So let's think of it, how we can do it. So first I need to add a new variable to hold in all the comments. Okay, so okay, or let's say that I need a variable to add a new comment. So let's say var x. So let's go to block. Now show block. Okay, so let's say I have variable var x. So let's call it a new comment. Okay, so this is the user that need will, and then I just need so new comment. Okay, so this is first. Second, I need to add another variable to hold all the comments. Okay, because I'm not adding only one comment, I'm adding different comments. So let's say var all comments. So let's say the initial value of this variable will be feed the cat. Okay, same the sentence that is being written in the application, and of course I need to add /n. Okay, so now to add the function, so I need to add on event the ID of the button. So every time I'm clicking rebind, the information should get here. Okay, so click the ID of this button is called reminder button. So I choose it, of course, on click. Now every time I click on remind, it needs to get the text from here. Okay, so to get the text from here, we have function called get text. Oops. So get text. I put it is exactly here. Oh no. So I need to put the new comment. So I need to insert it inside the variable. Okay, so variable equal the variable I called it new comment. Okay. So new comment equal what is the value that I need to print it is the text that the user is inserting. So here reminder input. Okay, so the ID of this text is called reminder input. Now I have the information, the text that I'm inserting here inside this comment, this variable. Okay, so to add all the comment together, so I need to put all comment equal all comment plus new comment. Okay, and of course to go to new line I need to add between double quotation at the end /n. Okay, so don't forget to use the variable exactly how you declared them. Okay, now to print the result, of course I need to use the set property. Set property for this label here, it is called reminder. Okay, so the text ID for this label is reminder text. So I'm most likely I will be giving you half of this code of the function of this code in the exam, and you need to just fix some errors or fill in the blanks. For these two applications, you need to do them by your own, on your own. Sorry, so it will not be dollars. You need to rename the variable as you see it properly. And this is it. Best of luck in your exam. See you on Monday.